not a guess, an estimation, or a hunch, a feeling or a foolish intuition. A map is a dependable, unwavering, inarguably accurate portrayer of your position. Never trust your ears, your nose, your eyes. Putting faith in them is most unwise. Here's a phrase you all must memorize. In the printed word is where truth lies. Never trust your tummies, tails, or toes. You can't learn a thing from any of those. Here's another fact I must disclose. From the mighty pen, true wisdom flows. If it says so, then it is so. If it is so, well, so it is. A thought's not fit to think till it's printed in ink. Then it says so. So it is.
Oh, yes, but I think
Never trust that thing between your ears. Brains will get you nowhere fast, my dears. Haven't had a need for mine in years. On the